Welcome to a brief demo on the menu options in the Microsoft Teams desktop application for Teams calling. Now within Microsoft Teams, if you make sure you're in the Calls section, this can be done by clicking Calls in the left-hand menu. From here, you'll be given some menu items. The first one being your speed dial. These are people or contacts that you frequently contact that you would like to have on speed dial. These will pin these contacts in this menu for you so that you can quickly call them. For example, one of my favorites is Richard, our operations manager. So by clicking the phone call, that will start a phone call with him. Now, the next menu item down is contacts. From here, this will be any contacts that I have added within my Teams. I can add additional contacts by clicking Add Contact in the top right-hand corner, typing their name or number. So for example, if I start typing test and click Add. Now this will give me additional options where I can type in a phone number, company or title, and click Add. And as you can see, this has now added this contact to me. Now, any contacts that you have listed, you have a few options. The first one being chat. This will start a chat within Microsoft Teams to that person. An envelope. This will open your default mail application and start an email to this person. Now, these will only populate if you have an email address associated with that contact. The camera icon, which will start a video call with this person, and the phone icon, which will start a phone call. Now, as you can see, some contacts have icons and others don't. Now, these contacts have all these options as they are Teams contacts within the Linden Tech business. As you can see, this mobile number only has a phone because that is the only option I have for that contact. If I click the three dots on any of the contacts, I have the option to call a specific number associated to that contact. This is handy if you have multiple phone numbers for a certain person. I have the option to add or remove them from speed dial, to edit the contact, to remove the contact, or to block the contact. Now in the left-hand side on the menus, the next one down is history. This will show you your call history. From here, you can see any outgoing or incoming phone calls that you have made, the duration, and what date and time these were completed. So for example, on my latest phone call to Glenn, if I click the three dots, I have the option to call him back, to start a chat because he is a Teams contact, or to add him to my speed dial. Now if I click this on a number that isn't a Teams contact, you can see I have the option to call them back, but I don't have the option to start chat with them. I do instead have the option to add them to speed dial or contacts if I haven't already, or to block that person. And the last menu is voicemail. Now within here, if there are any voicemails listed, they will appear. As you can see, I don't have any. Thank you for listening.